How to preserve battery health on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Battery. You will then be taken to the Battery Settings page. On this page, you can view your battery percentage, battery health, and manage other battery settings as well. You can also view the battery usage by app below. Now, go to Charging as shown. You can view and change your charge limit over here. You can also choose whether to turn on or off the optimized battery charging. Turn on this option. This means that when the charge limit is set to 100%, it allows iPhone to wait to finish charging past 80% until the time you need to use it. Now, go back and tap on General. Here, scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. This allows apps to refresh their content when on Wi-Fi or a mobile network in the background. Turning off apps may help preserve battery life. Go to Background App Refresh at the top. Here, select Off. You have now successfully turned off Background App Refresh. Following these steps, you can easily preserve battery health on iPhone.